Is there instructions for me not to bother to read? Harry Easter.
Harry Easter.
Good old Harry Easter. God rest his soul.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a challenge video, and what we're going to be doing is we've got hold of a couple of these from Ikea. I think it's the first year they've done them, but it's the self-assembly milk chocolate bunny for Easter.
They have literally sold out.
Yeah, I know somebody that works at Ikea, and I spoke to them on Friday. They said, yeah, we've got loads in. We went on the Sunday and these were literally on display. I had to climb and get these.
Climb right up the shelf to get
So,
off the top of the display now.
hopefully they have got chocolate in and they're not fake.
Empty boxes.
Yeah.
Well, this will be a very short video.
It will be a quick challenge. So, I've not tried it before. They don't look that difficult. So what we've done is, basically, it's going to be a Pimp My Ikea rabbit. So we've got other bits and pieces as well. Are we putting a time on this, or are we just going to do them, or just do it? I thought we'd get a plate. There we go. A nice gold plate to do them on. So, ready? See how we get on. Well, it's got chocolate in it, that's the start. It's not very big, is it? So you don't get a lot of chocolate, but it's a novelty, isn't it? Is there instructions for me not to bother to read? Oops. Whoop.
Neptune nearly got a load of chocolate.
5-second rule. Yeah, there are no instructions. So,
Bunny.
which is its head? So that's its head.
Three pieces to the puzzle, and we're still struggling.
I think that's basically it, isn't it? It's a bit falling over. I'm trying to turn it back around.
Mine's fine.
Yeah. So that's the rabbit as it looks.
I'll give you a side on view of mine.
So,
Challenge done.
not that easy. Time to pimp my rabbit. Okay, so we've got icing, so it's Eton mess, carrots from the pound shop, chewy ones.
Tammy's really eating the worms.
Oh, these are lovely. This is the grass,
Is that your grass?
yeah.
I must admit, while Tammy was working at writing up her review from last night, I cheated this morning, and she doesn't know it.
You kept that one quiet.
Oh yes, I'll be back in a second. I actually made a green lawn for mine.
What's that made out of?
This.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's more yellow than green.
Oh, it said green food colouring on the floor. It's like when you use red, it always goes pink. It's all there through colour. That's where it came out.
I should know that you cheat on every one of these challenges.
I don't, honestly.
You do. You use ready-made gingerbread men with your little gingerbread house at Christmas.
Yeah, we have them.
Oh, my glass is falling over.
You've got little carrots in your apricot. Stick them in there. Open the side.
You're gonna put me to shame again, aren't you? Edible eyes. Oh, I think she's a spy, is that? Not that neat, but it's a bit like it's got mitosis. Oh, the eyes are quite nice as well. So did you used to do Easter egg hunts when you were little? And things?
No.
No?
Not that I can remember, it was a long time ago.
Oh, you said that, not me. It's really difficult to colour. That's not too bad. Do you rabbits have whiskers?
I've never seen that up.
That one will do through the nose. I've broken it.
Broke it so she eats through the 10.
I'm having to eat it to get to the bit that I need. Oh, no, my grass is falling over.
Grass, it thought they were reeds.
Could be reed. That's the beauty of art, isn't it?
Can be anything you want.
There's one here that I really need to get out. That one there. When I was little, my brother used to take me up the banks to look through the Easter bunny.
Ever find you?
No, I had to take a bit of silver paper for him to wrap his Easter eggs in. Oh yes. Oops. Don't look at this side. Oh.
I should try and glue that back together now. Somehow. Well, I must admit, mine looks great.
Yeah, because you cheated again.
There's no such thing as cheating.
We used to hide Easter eggs all over the house when I was little. My brother once did like a really cool like treasure hunt with them, with clues.
Oh yeah. Did you find any of them?
Yeah, they're all over. They're in the garage, in the greenhouse, in the washing machine.
We had a mangle
That's your age.
and a washboard.
Has yours died?
What?
Going over the Rainbow Bridge.
Yeah, it's a worm in the garden, just come out and go back in again.
Carrots not bad. Oh, now my eyes. What I do now, my face.
No, listen, I think I want that. I mean, look at it, it's perfect. Green grass.
You have made a good job of that, I do admit.
Worms.
I'm not unsure. That's a massive worm if it is.
Now Tanya's eating my beautiful, you know, that could be in Tate Modern, that.
What were you flavoured with that with?
Eh?
What were you flavoured with that with? I don't know what it reminds me of.
And you're not having much success.
This is what happens to plants in my life.
Is it?
Oh no, its eye's fallen off now.
I think your rabbit's
The other
got
side.
ptosis.
I'll just do it like that. It's like a nice little meadowy scene.
I bet you wish you had green grass, didn't you?
It's overrated. Just give it a nice bit of your tummy.
And of course, wherever rabbits are, it's rabbit coat. Look at that beautiful thing there.
Oh, look at that. Have a go of corn.
You'd eat most of the chocolate. Look, you get your elbow too close to my rabbit ribs and knock it over and kill it. That's nearly a really bad attempt at hack.
It looks more like Harry.
Doesn't it?
Harry Easter. That sounds like a 70s actor, doesn't it? Harry Easter.
Harry East.
Good old Harry Easter. God rest his soul. We haven't used any silver balls.
They're overrated as well.
I don't know whether to give mine a little necklace.
Let's not go there.
It doesn't look bad though. All things considered.
Should have got lots of fun.
I think maybe it's one of these.
Don't go for my worm idea.
I think we can be rest assured I'm not going to inch your worm idea. I'm just giving it a little bit more grass to play in.
I've got loads.
Yours is looks like it's in sand.
No, it's not. It's playing in the grass. That's lovely. You can dig it there before we come out.
I don't think that's bad. Really?
No.
Shall we?
Terrible. Not as bad.
Is yours the right way round? Shall we have a look then and decide who the winner is going to be?
This is Simon's. Would you like to talk us through what we've got there?
We've got a lovely assembled chocolate rabbit.
Yeah,
We have carrots in the ground,
yeah.
which I made behind Tanya's back. She didn't know this morning. And my
Carrots
wo-
in the sand.
And my worm. It's not sand. I've got my worm.
If you've got worms that size, I'd be worried.
And there's a rabbit poo. A little white bunny tail. Any rabbit would love to live in that meadow.
Yeah. Should we take a look at mine now?
There's no point, you've lost.
Look, in a lovely flowery meadow with lovely fresh grass, not sand. Daisies, carrots, what more could a rabbit want? Just a fluffy tummy perhaps. Or a fluffy tail. Eyes and whiskers. And a plate.
It says Harry Easter.
Harry Easter. And when did you last see your trousers? Appearing at the theatre near you. Well, I think I've won.
Do you think? Comment in the section.
It's close.
Comment in the
It's
section
close.
below to see who won. You know,
Yeah, if you think I should have won, comment.
Or if you think Simon should have won,
Don't comment.
comment, obviously. But yeah, how to pimp my Ikea
How is it fun for your children? at Easter?
rabbit with pound shop accessories. I think the flowers were from Asda, weren't they?
I think so.
I think they were from Asda, but the other stuff, the grass, chewits, and the carrots were from Asda. The eyes, sorry, from the pound shop. The eyes were from Asda, and I think the icing was from Asda.
We do get around on the hunt for stuff.
Yeah, I think they're quite sweet.
I think mine's great.
Why's yours got a flower in its hair?
Mine's female.
Okay.
Go for an leave yours mail?
Yeah.
Let's leave them here, see how many more we can get by the end of the day.
Do you know what? If they bred and we had lots of little chocolate rabbits,
Tanya would be over the moon.
I would be quite happy. Anyway, happy Easter, guys. If you've liked this video, do give it a thumbs up.
But you must comment on who won.
And make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And the bell.
And the bell so you get notifications when the next video is uploaded. I've got loads more coming up, loads of haul videos, different things. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Cheat. I'm not a cheat.
Cheat.
Got nothing on me.